This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Roblox account details and locating the gift card code. This is the critical token you'll redeem. Once done, switch your device VPN to Japan so the site accepts the region for redemption. Make sure the VPN is stable. Next, prepare a Japanese billing address and postal code. You'll enter these when required. These first steps avoid regional blocks and set up the necessary information to redeem the card successfully on Roblox. With your VPN active and connected to Japan, sign into Roblox and navigate to the Redeem Gift Card page. This ensures the server expects a Japan region. Enter the code exactly as printed and submit. Capitalization and dashes matter. If Roblox prompts for payment or address confirmation, select Japanese region and enter the address you prepared earlier. This satisfies the site's regional verification. Keep the card and receipt handy in case you need proof after submission. After redeeming, go to Account Billing to confirm Robux or credit appears. That completes the process. If the balance does not show, first disconnect and reconnect the VPN to Japan, then re-enter the code carefully. Typos are common. Make sure the Japanese postal code and address format match what Roblox expects. If issues persist, take a photo of the receipt/code and contact Roblox support explaining you used a Japan VPN and include proof. That usually resolves account credit problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.